Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another really beautiful nude glitter glam makeup look for the New Year's Eve, which is very wearable and subtle, and it has a bit of glam but it's very toned down, so anybody can wear this makeup look, especially if you're like me and gonna stay at home for the New Year's. This look is perfect to just give yourself a little bit of pamper and look great for the New Year's. So if you want to know how I achieved this very beautiful nude glitter makeup look, then please do continue watching. First, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm taking my Colorbar Stunning Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Chestnut, and by the way this is a mini one, so I'm just using that eyebrow pencil to fill in any gaps that I can see in my eyebrows. And by the way, today's makeup look is using all affordable makeup products, so it's super budget friendly as well. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Deep Tan, and this one is like a light to medium coverage concealer, so I'm just going to pop that on the eyelids and to clean up my eyebrows like so. Then I'm going to pick up my concealer blending brush from PAC and blend out all of the concealer really well. Once that is done, I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Finish eyeshadow palette in the shade Warm Rust. Such a beautiful neutral eyeshadow palette with different finish of eyeshadows. So I'm first picking up that really beautiful deep chocolate brown matte eyeshadow on a blending brush, and first I'm going to apply that through my crease and really make it super blended on the crease, and I'm going to pop the same eyeshadow on the eyelid as well. And I'm going to make sure there are no harsh lines in my eye makeup and going to blend everything thoroughly. Moving on to the face, I'm going to take my Nykaa Prep Me Up primer and apply the primer on the main areas of my face and blend it out using my fingertips. This is budget friendly primer which creates a beautiful smooth canvas and blurs your open pores. For foundation, I'm taking one of my favorites, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Classic Tan, and to apply that I'm using a damp beauty blender. So I'm just tapping the foundation gently onto my face like so, and just gonna apply that foundation all over my face. And I'm also keeping the foundation layer a bit on the natural side because this makeup look is a bit on the nudish side. So I'm just gonna keep everything a bit toned down and super wearable. And whatever is left on the sponge, I'm just applying that to my forehead and also a bit on my neck. I'm going to pick up the same Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer to highlight underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to apply that very close to my inner corners on the under eyes and also at the outer corners. I'm also going to highlight the center of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow and my chin. Gonna pick up my PAC concealer blending brush again to blend out all of the highlighted areas, and this concealer is super liquidy and easy to blend, so you really don't have to put a lot of effort in blending. It just blends so effortlessly, and it's perfect for looks like these which are on the bit of a natural side. Then to set everything in place, I'm taking my Palladio rice powder in the shade Warm Beige. I've picked that powder on the same damp beauty blender and I'm going to bake underneath my eyes. Also applying a little bit around my mouth and on my forehead because I crease over there. Then I'm going to take my K-Beauty 24-hour Kajal in the shade Spade, which is a jet black Kajal pencil. So I'm going to use that to create a liner on my upper lash line. And I'm keeping the liner quite thick at the outer corner and a bit more thin at the inner corner and the center of my eyes. And immediately I'm going to take my smudging brush to smudge out the eyeliner and create a bit of a smoky effect. And this is going to make sure that the eyes look a bit more softer and not too harsh. I'm doing the exact same thing on the other eye as well, just gonna create a upper eyeliner and smudge it out using a smudging brush. This is super easy and beginner friendly. Literally anybody can easily achieve this makeup look and it's very simple of an eye makeup. So yeah, it's super beginner friendly. I'm gonna apply the same kajal on the lower waterline and my lower lash line. Then I'm going to pick up the same chocolatey matte eyeshadow from the NYX palette on a pencil brush and just going to smudge out the lower lash line as well to kind of make everything cohesive and smooth and blend it out. Once that is done, I'm going to brush off all of the excess powder away and I'm going to set the remainder areas of my face using the same Palladio loose powder in the shade Warm Beige and applying a very little of the powder on the remainder areas of my face. Then I want to take my Nicka K liquid radiant eyeshadow and this is in the shade Earthy Bronze. Such a beautiful brown bronzy glitter eyeshadow. So I'm applying a tiny amount on the center of my eyelid and then I'm going to use my ring finger to blend out the glitter. Doing the exact same thing on the other eye, popping the glitter on the center of my eyelid and spreading it out using my finger, and this is just going to create that beautiful soft glittery effect on the eyes. Now I'm going to take my favorite mascara. This is the Loreal False Lash Superstar Mascara and I'm going to take the primer side first, which is like a white primer to make your eyelashes look super thick and voluminous. So I'm applying that to the eyelashes. Then I'm going to take the number 2 side, which is like a regular mascara, and I'm just going to pop that on top of the primer that I applied on my eyelashes, and that just creates an amazing volume to my lashes and it literally looks like I'm wearing some sort of false eyelashes. That's how voluminous your eyelashes get after using this L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. I just love this mascara. Then to contour, I'm taking my Freedom Pro Contour Kit in the shade Medium and the number is 02. I'm going to mix both the shades from the pan and apply that to the hollows of my cheeks using an angled brush. Also taking it to the temples. On the perimeters of my forehead. Under my chin and also along my jawline. Then I'm going to take a smaller blending brush to slightly define the sides of my nose and also under my lower lip to make my lips look a bit more pouty. For blusher, I'm taking my Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Bronzing Glaze, which is such a beautiful bronzy coral blusher. So I'm just gonna pop that on the apples of my cheeks, and this blusher color went very well with this makeup look since everything is on the nude and brown side. For highlight, I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Radiant Light Highlighter in the shade Peach Lights, which is such a muted, beautiful peach highlighter and super finely milled. So I'm applying the tiniest amount on the tops of my cheekbones. On my Cupid's bow, on my chin. And also I'm going to take a smaller brush to apply the highlighter on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Coming to the lips, I'm taking one of my recent favorites. This is the Miss Claire lip liner in the shade Coffee Brown. Such a beautiful brown lip liner for dusky complexions. So first I'm going to use the lip liner to slightly overdraw my lips. And then I'm going to use the same lip liner to fill in my entire lips, and this is just going to act as a lipstick for today's look. And I'm going to top off the lips with another lipstick in just a couple of seconds. And the other lipstick is the Nykaa Demi Matte Lip Cream in the shade Basic, which is like a rusty coral glossy lipstick. So I'm just going to apply that on top of the Miss Claire lip liner, and that just created the perfect lip color that I was going for this look. Now to set everything in place, I'm using my Faces Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer. Just gonna spray the makeup fixer from a distance to lock my makeup in place. And that is the finished nude glitter glam makeup look for the New Year's. I'm most probably gonna wear this look for the New Year's because I'm gonna stay at home and enjoy my New Year. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Wish you all a very happy New Year, hoping for more positivity and health and wealth in 2021. Stay safe everyone, and I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.